Someone is diagnosed with breast cancer every 60 seconds. The numbers are sobering, but great strides are being made to fight the disease. KITV4 is once again sponsoring the Susan G. Komen Hawaii Race for the Cure. It's not until October, but each month leading up to the race, we're going to share a story about breast cancer with you. Tonight, KITV4's Paula Akana begins with a look at the Race for the Cure.
Racing for hope, racing for support, racing for a cure.
4 years.
That's the goal of the Susan G. Komen Foundation, which has raised well over $1 billion for breast cancer research, education, and screening. Susan Komen, shown here in the stripes, died from breast cancer. Her sister started the foundation in hopes of finding a cure. And it's staff like Nina Rappeline that says it's an honor to work on the event. She is a breast cancer survivor herself who sees the work of the Komen Foundation firsthand.
1982, the survival rate, 5-year survival rate was 84%. Today, it's 98%. I'm coming up on my 5th year, so I'm glad to know those numbers have gone up and that Komen has been a part of every major research advance that's been made in breast cancer. What Komen provides is hope. You know, the emotional support, sometimes the financial support when needed, and just that we're there, that you know that you're not alone.
There's even information online at KomenHawaii.org. You'll find an interactive program that includes breast cancer facts and even a program that teaches you how to do self-breast exams. You can also check on the race event there as well. Last year, 6,500 participants were expected in the Hawaii race. 7,000 showed up, helping to raise a record $630,000. The 17th annual race will be held on October 17th of this year.
This year we're 17 strong, and at 17 strong, strong minds and promising futures.
Online entry forms will be available June 1st, paper forms on May 1st. They also need hundreds of volunteers. Paula Akana, KITV4 News.
Again, this year's Race for the Cure is scheduled for Sunday, October 16th at Kapi'olani Park, beginning at 7 a.m. Registration not open yet, but we'll keep you posted. To see any of the stories we do leading up to this year's race, go to Hot Topics on KITV.com.